Today we are going to discuss about RDBMS. So RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management Systems. We have a lot of database management systems. Oracle is one of the best relational database systems. We have SQLite, SQL Server, PostSQL, Microsoft Access, IBM DB2 and SQLite, and a lot of database available in the market. So it's totally depend upon you which database you are using or which database you are going to use. In this series, I am going to use the MySQL database. Make sure the SQL statements execute on all databases because it's a standard. And make sure the select, update, delete, insert and where, and also some other clauses in the database or commands in the SQL. These commands execute on all the major different relational databases. Okay, so now you know very well about the databases, the relational databases. Now, why you need the database? Because when you need to store the data on permanent basis, you need the database. So that's why we store all the information in the database. And how you store the database, how you store the data in the database, you always have different rows and also columns in database. How? Or suppose if you have ID, this is a column. If you have name, this is a column. If you have city, this is a column. If you have country. So this is your table. First suppose we will discuss about the tables, tuples, rows and records. How can you insert, update it? So don't worry about it. First suppose you want to store the data in the database. How you store? You always provide one, the name for suppose Shakzee, and the city for suppose Karachi, and the country for suppose USA. Okay, you have one tuple, that means you have one record, that means you have one rows. These are the same things, one tuple, one rows or one record. For suppose this table has a name, user. So user is the table name, has some columns, ID, name, city and country, and we have inserted one record. So in this way your database works. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics like the syntax. So thank you for watching.